Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to divide monomials. Let's have an example. Assume we have y to the fifth power divided by y cube. To simplify this expression, we're going to write it in the expanded form. So y to the fifth power, this means that we have to multiply the y by itself 5 times. We're going to do the same for the denominator. We have y cube, which means we have to multiply the y by itself 3 times. Okay, now let's simplify. We're going to take out 1y from the denominator with 1y from the numerator. Again, 1y from the denominator with 1y from the numerator. Do that one more time. We're going to lift over with y times y. Y times y, this is equal to y squared. Let's have another example. Assume we have 5 to the fourth power divided by 5 squared. 5 to the fourth power, this means that we're going to multiply the 5 by itself 4 times. 5 squared, multiply the 5 by itself 2 times. Simplify. We lift over with 5 times 5, which is 5 squared, or you can write 25. Now look at these two examples. Can you find a rule? Or is there an easier way to solve these examples? The answer is yes. We can easily subtract the exponent. Instead of writing in the expanded form, you can just subtract the exponent. Here we have 5, and in the denominator it's raised to the third power. Just subtract 5 minus 3, which is equal to 2. And here also subtract the exponent, 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So the general rule when you divide monomials is when you have a similar basis, you can just easily subtract the exponent. Let's have more examples. Okay, for the first question, we have division and we have a similar basis. We can easily subtract the exponent. 6 minus 2, so the answer will be b raised to the power 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. b raised to the fourth power. Do here the same. Y raised to the third power. Subtract the exponent. 7 minus 4 is 3. One more time. Similar basis. Subtract the exponent. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 to the power 1, which is the same as 5. No need to write the 1 here, okay? Next. Look for the similar bases. We're going to do the b first. b to the sixth power divided by b to the first power. If there is no number, it means that this is raised to the first power. Subtract the exponent. It will be b to the fifth power. Do the same for c. 4 minus 2, this is equal to 2. So the answer will be b raised to the fifth power times c squared. Now, I want you to pause the video, try to solve the rest of the questions by yourself, then check your answers with us. Okay. For question number 5, we're going to divide the numbers first. 35 divided by 5 is 7. Let's go for C. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's 7C. No need to write the 1. Next question. We have 18 divided by 9, which is equal to 2. Go for x. We have x raised to the fifth power divided by x squared. Common bases. So we can subtract the exponent. 5 minus 2 is 3. One more time. We have y cubed divided by y. Here the exponent is 1, so we're gonna subtract the exponent. 3 minus 1 is 2. For the last question, start with the numbers. Negative 39 divided by 3 is negative 13. Then go for the a to the 8th power divided by a to the 5th power. Since we have similar bases, subtract the exponent, and the f, we don't have f in the denominator, so we're just gonna write it as it is, f squared. That's it. I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.